Cyber threats are more advanced than ever, and protecting your personal information online is crucial. Hackers, scammers, and data breaches can put your identity, finances, and privacy at risk. In this video, we'll share 4 key ways to keep your personal information safe online. Use strong, unique passwords. A weak or reused password makes it easy for cybercriminals to access your accounts. To improve security, use complex passwords with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can help generate and store unique passwords for every account, making it easier to stay protected without the hassle of remembering them all. Keep software and devices updated. Outdated software can have security vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. Regularly updating your operating system, apps, and antivirus software helps patch security flaws and protect your data. Enable automatic updates when possible to ensure you're always running the latest, most secure versions. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks, like those in coffee shops or airports, are convenient but often unsecured. Hackers can intercept your data while you browse. To stay safe, avoid accessing sensitive accounts on public networks or use a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your connection and keep your information private. Monitor your online accounts regularly. Regularly checking your bank statements, email accounts, and online profiles for any suspicious activity can help you catch potential security threats early. Set up alerts for unauthorized transactions and use services that notify you of any data breaches involving your accounts. Taking these steps will help safeguard your personal information and reduce the risk of identity theft or data breaches. If you need assistance securing your online presence, give our team a call. We are happy to help.